Hi, this is Bill Feaver, and I just wanted to do a quick overview of the Save Club networking business that I'm in, and I just wanted to tell you some of the savings you can get. So you can get, let's look at travel. You can put in where you want to go, you can put in the dates, you can put in how many people, and then you can click on it and you can actually find out how much you save by comparing it with other travel clubs and whatnot. So like here, you can save up to $66 per night on hotels. In Las Vegas, in Orlando, $77 per night on hotels. That's where Disney is. Cancun, up to $90 per night on hotels. New York, $88. Chicago, $85, and on. You can put packages together. You can go to resorts. You can put cruises. All those kinds of travel things you can put together. That's one thing I wanted to look at. Then we can go to parks and tickets like Disney World, Universal, SeaWorld, Six Flags, Legoland, Knott's Berry Farm, you name it. They probably got a package that you can get a deal. You can also get airplane tickets. You can get flights, hotels, tickets to the venue. You can get car rentals, vouchers for food, and all kinds of things when you travel, and more. And then they have deals, all kinds of deals that they give every day on everything you buy. Here, look at this. Fitness, LA Fitness, Anytime Fitness, Supercuts, Adaptive, Active and Fit Digest, on and on there. That's just going in health and wellness. You can go to golf, see what you can get here. This is in my area, and save $20 on Mount Prospect Golf Club. Mount Vernon Golf is $20 savings, and on. I just wanted to show you a couple of those things. You can save on insurance, pet insurance, your own home insurance. You can say auto insurance, many things. And they have all these big companies that are a part of this. So that is another area that I wanted to share with you. Then you go into the groceries, and then they have these coupons. You can go to Costco. This is for a membership thing, and Sam's Club, I believe it is too, on that. Let's see here. Sam's Club. My wife just got back from Sam's Club. Oh, you can save on groceries, electronics, health and wellness, whatnot. And if you connect it, then you will get savings on what you buy there. And same with the other places. Financial wellness, let's see. There's 49 things on here. Let's see, there's more and more that they're adding every day. The big thing is these products have coupons for food, and if you eat out or groceries, and you can use them over and over again. They don't expire. You can use them every time you go shopping. I wanted to share those few things with you, and if you're interested in that, I believe it's just $20 to a membership to join to do the shopping. There's also an element if you want to do this as a business, and that is if you sign up for the shopping, they will point out all of the rest of that. If you want to know more, then just text me or let me know, or go to my website, which is William Feaver, spelled Feaver, Feaver, all lowercase, williamfeaver.com/Save Club. And you can sign up and go from there. And if you have any questions, you can also leave me a message and I will get back to you. So I just want to share these things with you. And you all have a great day, and we'll see you the next time around. Bye-bye.